Hi everyone, this is Giri, lecturer in physics. Welcome to Expertizer Academy. Now we discuss about the conductors at electrostatic equilibrium and electrostatic shielding and also electrostatic conduction. Electrostatic conduction. So first of all, what is the meaning of conductors? Conductors allow the current, heat through it. Okay. So what is the meaning of electrostatic equilibrium for conductors? You know that in conductors, so many free electrons or so many free charges are moving in random way, without connection of any battery. At that position, the conductors at equilibrium, particularly electrostatic equilibrium. Okay, free electrons are moving randomly at the conductors without connection of the battery. So that is electrostatic equilibrium. And also these charges cannot be bonded with any other atom in that particular molecule or conductors. Okay. So that is the meaning of the conductors at electrostatic equilibrium. Okay. So in this equilibrium state, there is some properties for conductors or metals. Look at this. The electric field is zero everywhere inside the conductor. Electric field is zero everywhere inside the conductor. This is true regardless of whether the conductor is solid or hollow. For solid conductor or hollow conductors, electric field is zero everywhere. Okay. Next property. There is no net charge inside the conductors. There is no net charge inside the conductors. Okay. Next, the charges must reside only on the surface of the conductor. Must reside only on the surface of the conductor. For the next, the electric field outside the conductor is perpendicular to the surface of the conductor. This is very important. Electric field outside the conductor is perpendicular to the surface of the conductor. Okay. Next, electrostatic potential has the same value on the surface and inside of the conductor. On the surface and inside of the conductor. Electrostatic potential has the same value on the surface. That means equipotential surface. That means equipotential surface. So see this diagram. So in this diagram, there is a one conductor. In this side, negative charges. In this side, positive charges are there. So positive charges generates the field lines from away that charge. Next, negative charges creates the field lines towards the charges. So this is the internal electric field. Internal electric field must be zero. Okay, so this is the small information about the conductors at electrostatic equilibrium. Okay. Next one is electrostatic shielding. Electrostatic shielding. See this halo conductor. This is the halo conductor. At here, inside the halo conductor, charge is zero, electric field also zero. Okay. So there is a positive and negative charges outer surface of the conductor. So in this diagram, this is the halo conductor. There is a positive and negative charges outer surface of the conductor. At inside, there is no any charge and electric field. See this electrostatic shielding meaning. The charges at the surfaces and whatever be the electrical disturbances outside, whatever be electrical disturbances, that means negative or positive charges and its field lines and its field lines. The electric field inside the cavity is zero. The electric field inside the cavity. Cavity means that means here disturbances, that means charges. The sensitive electrical instrument which is to be protected from which is to be protected from external electrical disturbance can be kept inside this cavity. This is called electrostatic shielding. See this again. A sensitive electrical instrument which is to be protected from electrical disturbance, that is external electrical disturbance, can be kept inside this cavity. So this is the electrostatic shielding. So shielding means you have to keep the any value or any material inside the any out of the space, any out of that space. So that means here external disturbance, external electrical disturbance can be kept inside this cavity. So that is electrostatic shielding. So that means energy is stored inside. Energy is stored inside the conductor. So that is the electrostatic shielding. Okay. So next, electrostatic induction. So electrostatic induction is generated or observed in different ways. See this first diagram one. There is a metal spheres A and B which are mounted on the insulating stands, which are mounted on insulating stands. Two metal spheres are mounted insulating stands. So there is no any charges in A and B metal spheres. So that's why there is no induction. So induction, it is nothing but a transmission of charges. Transmission of charges. Coming to diagram 2, the presence of a negative charge induces electron to move from sphere A to B. The two sphere system is polarized. The two sphere system is polarized. See here, A is positive, B is negative. When you want any other negative charge source without any contact, this negative charge source induces the negative charges from A to B. So that's why the system is polarized. So polarization means dipole per volume, electrical dipole per volume. Okay. So the value of electrical dipole per volume, it is nothing but a polarization. So that means these two are polarized. Here these two spheres are in contact, but there is no contact with the negative charge source. Okay. Coming to this, both are separated. Sphere B is separated from the sphere A using the insulating stand. Two spheres have opposite charge. So there is no induction of negative charge from A to B. See here, both are separated without any charge source. The excess charge distributes itself uniformly over the surface of the spheres. The excessive charges in the sphere A and B, these charges are uniformly distributed in that spheres when it is connected with external source. So without connection of external source, there is no continuous or normal way or correct way of the distribution. So without connection of the battery, the charges are moving in random way. So this is the different way of observation for electrostatic induction. So this is the small information about the electrostatic induction. So thanks for watching this video. For more videos, visit www.expertiseracademy.com.